General naman kayo. Alam niyo ba na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso kung charge sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo lang. No? And then, hindi pa kayo na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo membro. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General. Yes. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedure process, here we are being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman po, sir? Sir.
There's naman doon, blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Magkaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.